Let's go feed the chickens and collect some eggs. Come on, girls. I give my chickens a jar of fermented feed every day. It gives them probiotics and it helps stretch out their feed quite a bit. The girls have been laying about 7 to 9 eggs a day, which is amazing. We have not had to buy any eggs for a month, and they've been laying inside the coop since we put fake eggs. So if you have problems with chickens not laying in the coop, fake eggs really work. You girls are getting all dirty. Ah, God, you're splattering me.